This is chapter 12, section 3, adding polynomials. Here's a quick review on combining like terms. This is 9x plus 4x. So x being the common variable, 9 and 4 are the coefficients that you're going to add together. And so this would be 13x. Over here you have negative 3y plus 7y, y being the common variables. So negative 3 and 7 are the coefficients you're going to add together. I did say you're going to add them together, but one's positive, one's negative, so we're going to subtract their absolute values. And we're going to keep the sign of the greater of the two absolute values, which in this case is positive 7. So here we go. Adding polynomials. This is going to be the vertical model. So we've got 5x cubed plus x squared plus 2 plus the quantity 4x cubed plus 6x squared. So what we're going to do here is we're going to match up or combine the like terms. For instance, this is 5x cubed and this is 4x cubed. So here's our 5x cubed, and vertical means up and down, so we're going to put 4x cubed underneath that. Remember, this is an addition problem. Now we have x squared and 6x squared. And then we have this constant 2. And now we just add. This is 2. This is 1x squared plus 6x squared, so that's 7x squared. 5x cubed plus 4x cubed. 9x cubed. We're done. Pay attention to how you line things up. This is similar to lining up the correct place values when you're adding and subtracting decimals. Very similar to that idea. Put a rectangle around our final answer here. Let's see. 3x squared y minus 5x plus the quantity 4x plus 7 plus 6x squared y. So again, you're looking for like terms. The first thing I see here is an x squared y, and way down here to the far right I see another x squared y. So we're going to stack those. 3x squared y, 6x squared y. They're both positive. After that, we have this negative 5x, and we have this positive 4x. So negative 5x, positive 4x. And similar to our first example, then we have this constant, plus 7. I'm going to just double check something. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in my original expression. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So everything's accounted for. So that's 7. Now over here, this is a negative 5 and this is a positive 4. So that's negative 1x. I'm not going to actually draw the 1. I'm just going to leave it that way. And over here we have 3 plus 6, and that's 9. X squared y. like I said,